A circuit contains an ammeter, a battery of 30 volts, and a resistance of 40.8 ohms, all connected in series. If the ammeter has a coil of resistance of 480 ohms and a shunt of 20 ohms, the reading in the ammeter will be what we need to find here. First, we'll draw the circuit here. This is the circuit. It is connected in the resistance is connected, and one ammeter is there. In this ammeter, it is connected resistance of 480 ohms. 480 ohms resistance is connected, and a shunt is connected, that is like this, and it is connected to the battery of 30 volts. This is 30 volts, and this resistance is 40.8 ohms, and here the resistance is, that is a 480 ohms, and the shunt is, that is 20 ohms here. This value is 20 ohms. Okay, then what's the reading of the ammeter we need to find here? Then the resistance of the ammeter can be calculated as, that is resistance of the ammeter, RA is equal to, we can find it as, that is 480 ohms plus 480 ohms into 20 ohms divided by 480 ohms plus 20 ohms. By simplifying, we get the answer, that is 19.2 ohms here. And since this 480 ohms and the 20 ohms are connected in the parallel, as the ammeter is in the series connection with the 40.8 ohms, then the total resistance will becomes, that is R is equal to 40.8 ohms plus RA. This will give the result 40.8 plus 19.2, then R is equal to, that is equal to 60 ohms. By using the Ohm's law, we find the current in the circuit as, that is I is equal to V by R. Then substitute the values. V is equal to, that is a 30 divided by R is equal to, just now we find that is 60. Then we get the answer, that is 1 by 2 amps. That is 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5 amps. So current here is 0.5 amps. So option B is the right answer here.